Examine the statements and correct the incorrect ones. Mining is not a type of land use. Incorrect. Correct statement. Mining is a type of land use. There are factories in the central business district. Incorrect. Correct statement. There are many shops, banks and offices in the central business district. In urban areas, the largest area is used for residential purposes. Correct. The village attendant issues the 7/12 extract. Incorrect. Correct statement. The village talati issues the 7/12 extract. In rural areas, residential areas occupy large tracts. Incorrect. Correct statement. In rural areas, residential areas occupy small tracts. Extract 7 indicates record of rights. Correct. Extract 12 indicates change in ownership. Incorrect. Correct statement. Extract 12 indicates tracts under cultivation. Give geographical reasons. Land used for public facility are extremely important in urban areas. Government provides various services to fulfill the needs of citizens. The land used for fulfilling these needs is known as public utility facility area. The lands used for post offices, police stations, public grounds, public schools, public hospitals, etc. are included public facility land use. Land use for public facility increases the social welfare. Therefore, land use for public facility is extremely important in urban areas. The record of the ownership of non-agricultural land is the same as that of the agricultural land. The record of agricultural land is maintained in the form of 7/12 extract. Similarly, the record of ownership of non-agricultural land is maintained in the form of property card. Like 7/12 extract, property card provides details of ownership of land, city survey number, plot number, amount of tax, area of property assessed, right to assess, etc. Thus, the record of ownership of non-agricultural land is same as that of agricultural land. A region can be classified as developed or developing on the basis of land use. The land used in a particular region for agriculture, grazing, etc. indicates that the region is underdeveloped or developing. The land used in a particular region for commercial purposes, transportation, recreation, etc. indicates that the region is developed. In this way, a region can be classified as developed or developing on the basis of land use. Right answers. Why is agriculture important in rural land use? In India, agriculture is the main occupation of most of people in rural areas. In India, farming occupation is very important as it satisfies the need of food grain and provides raw material to industries. The maximum land in rural areas is used for carrying out agricultural activities. Therefore, agriculture is important in rural land use. State the factors affecting land use. The factors affecting rural land use are the factors like climatic conditions, fertility of soil, altitude and slope of land, irrigational facilities, natural resources, government policies, etc. affect rural land use. For example, the land with gentle slope is not used for residential purpose but is used for step farming. Clarify the differences between rural and urban land uses. Rural land use and urban land use. Land in rural areas is used for limited purposes. Land in urban areas is used for many purposes. The pattern of rural land use is comparatively simple. The pattern of urban land use is comparatively complex. The use of land for cultivation is the major form of rural land use. The use of land for commercial activities and residence are the major forms of urban land use. Differentiate between 7/12 extract and property card. 7/12 extract and property card. A 7/12 extract is issued by the Public Revenue Department of the government. A property card is issued by the City Survey Office of the government. 7 upon 12 is the land record of ownership and history of ownership of the land in rural areas. A property card is the land record of ownership and history of ownership of the land in urban areas.